So over time, when you guys leave ethanol in your engines and your snow blowers, your lawnmowers and stuff, this is your main jet right here. And what ends up happening is, if you can see that little green dot right there, that's ethanol. After it sits for a long time, it turns into a gubby substance, and it really messes up because these orifices are so small. You see, I'm gonna pull that booger out. You can see it right there. And this stuff clogs up, and these holes are like, you know, you could probably fit a couple human hairs in them. They're not super small, but they are small. So I like to use these little, you know, carburetor brushes if I can fit them in there. And then I'll use some brake clean and I'll clean those out. But just that tiny little hole can be, you know, the make or break if your little small engine's gonna run. And this is the same concept for old cars too, you know, big 4-barrel carbs, 2-barrel carbs, even single barrels. They all use the basic concept that these small engines do. It's all